How to find out your VRChat password. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. So it's only possible if you're using iOS device, but if you're using Android device then it might not be possible. So if you're using iPhone, simply head over to the application password. Scan your Face ID and then head over to the option All. Here in the address bar you have to search for VRChat. If you have saved the password, then simply click on it. You should see the optional password, tap on it, and there you go, the password will be visible to you. You can simply copy the password and paste it in the section that you're asked to. After that, you will be good to go. So this is simply how you can find your VRChat password. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.